tomorrow my snuggie. Ice cream is boring. So what's up? We have fishies here. What's up, Frank the Tank? So what's up, boring? What's up with a movie car, and we're gonna drop a movie off with pumpkins, and we're gonna go to Free Hill Farms and get pumpkin stuff. But I see you later. Bye. What?